Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix blue light or tint on LG TV. Blue light is emitted by smartphones, computers, digital monitors and television. Blue light feature is becoming a basic feature on smartphones nowadays. Considering its negative impact on human eyes, this feature is now making its way to smart TV as well. You can save yourself from digital eye strain by enabling the blue light filter or eye comfort mode on your LG Smart TV. I will show you how to enable LG TV Eye Comfort mode first. Press Settings button on your LG TV remote. Then navigate to All Settings. Then go to Picture, then Additional Settings. Then click on Eye Comfort mode to enable Blue filter. How to enable LG Blue Light filter via Picture mode. First of all, navigate to All Settings, then Picture. Then go to Picture Mode Settings and click Picture Mode. Then select Cinema or Cinema Home from the list. How to enable LG Blue Light filter via Picture Settings. Open the LG TV settings and select Picture. Open Picture Mode Settings and scroll to Color Temperature and select it. Drag the color temperature slider to the left side to achieve the desired level. How to fix LG blue color tint on screen. This problem is usually found on LG TVs released before 2019. This problem is mainly due to faulty backlight LED arrays. This problem is common in many TVs using V17 R3 backlights. LG and some other brands use Vestel company's backlights which tend to turn blue with time and their yellow layer got damaged. If this is the case with your LG TV, then you won't able to fix this problem. The only way to fix this is to replace all LED backlight arrays. I will share a video link on how to change backlights of LG TV in this video description. Like the video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.